Hey everyone, HT Man here. Today I'm replacing cartridges and handles on some faucets in the house that are worn out. It's super easy to do, so I thought I'd make this quick video. First thing you have to do is turn the water off. Now the house we bought came with Moen faucets, so they all actually have a lifetime warranty. So all I had to do was call Moen, tell them what the problem was, figure out what model number it was, and basically they sent me everything that I needed to replace the cartridges, and they even gave me new handles. So the second thing you're going to do is there's a little tiny cover right here. You're going to remove, you just pry it off, and that will give you access to the set screw. Do not drop it in the sink like me. That gives you access to the set screw that's in there, and you're going to stick your Allen key in there, feel the set screw, and turn it counterclockwise, of course. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, until you got it out, or until the handle comes off. There you go. Once you get the handle off, you have access to this screw here. It's just plastic, so this socket is a 13/16. Just get it in there, get it loose, and then do it by hand. And there's your cartridge. This is what's worn out. Just pull it out. So once you have the old cartridge out, you get the new one. It only goes one way. It's got grooves in it. Just turn it until you get it to go in the right spot here. Of course, it wants to be difficult now. There we go. Push it right in. There's your keeper. Screw him in by hand. Until it's hand tight. Get your ratchet. Would help to have a deep socket, but I can still get on here. It's not supposed to be stupid tight, but I found if you just use pliers on this nut, it will end up leaking. So this has to be reasonably snug. Now Moen was kind enough to ship me a brand new handle with even an Allen key and a set screw. So all you do is put your handle back on. Put your set screw back in there. You can feel where it goes. Just kind of tighten the set screw. Till it's snug. Now you can see how much better that is. That is brand new. Next, I'll turn the water on and test it. Okay, the moment of truth, everything's reassembled. I test the water, and we're good to go. Notice how the handle stays in the position I put it in. It's not loose, flopping around. It's just like new again, the way it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if it's a help to you, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel. Most of it's automotive stuff, some motorcycle videos as well. But I'll be making more videos here, especially as the weather gets better. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.